Hi everyone, it's Celeste and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are actually unboxing jewelry lots. Woo! I love these things. You can always find unique things for cosplay and other things, and especially for my new small business that I am running, which is a sustainable jewelry brand. We'll get into that later. First of all, if you're new here, hi and welcome. I'm Celeste Orchid. I have been cosplaying since 2005, been a fashionista since birth. So if you are interested in watching the stuff that I create or unbox or thrift and flipped and anything that deals with fashion and cosplay, please subscribe down below and let's get into the video. Yeah. I have two lots right here. One is this one, and there is also this one. They are roughly about $10 each, and there's quite a lot to go through. Hey, you're so cute. So let's go ahead and open one of them. It's decided I'll be opening this one first. All right, so I'm not gonna keep this container, so we're just gonna get into it. All right, so this is quite a cluster. First thing that we got, I don't know if this is the first thing. Oh my gosh, this is like a Pandora bracelet. It's got little beads and charms. One's a shellfish, and there are turtles, sea turtles, very pretty Italian glass beads. And it's a bracelet. Next we have this multi-layer necklace. I don't really know if I like this one per se. It's my colors, black and purple. I also like pink. Gray is a good undertone. I think I like it. So we got that. Oh, look at this chain. This is going to go into my business. I'm going to definitely take this one apart. It's just a long chain of just kind of silvery links. That's cool. Next, this one's like super cute. Oh my gosh, it's a strand of multiple bracelets. Now these are definitely all plastic, but it's so cute. This is so like pastel Barbiecore vibe. Super cute. So there's that. A puka shell mini bracelet choker. It looks like a choker, but it's so small. It's definitely someone's choker. Maybe it's a little girl choker. I'll give it to my friend. And then there's this. It's a tattoo choker in like light pink. Lots of light pink. This one. Okay, we're stuck on something. We have this really hardcore metal piece. It's very Aztec-y. I like that. That's fun. That's super fun. That's fun. Okay, we'll let the baby play with that. Oh, we got some bangles. This is nice. Nice little bangle set. Yeah, very nice. Oh, and there's the small little chain here. Here you go. Chain here. It's a little bracelet. I think this one's like geared towards little girls. This has a lot of beads. I think I'm definitely going to have to tear this one apart. I like it, but I don't think I could. I don't know. We'll see. This just screams break me. And we got two more pieces. We got this multi-layered. Well, no, actually not. Okay, so it's just a big bally necklace like this. It goes like this with some big pearl beads. This is a very pastel pink set. Oh, here's the winner. The last piece is some real pearl bead necklace, multi-stranded, and it increases in size, so it looks really nice. Okay, cool. All right, so this first haul is complete. Let's check out the next one. Here is number 2, and we are going to smash it open. This one's definitely packaged better. I don't know why I did this so stupid. Okay, and find the opening. You can see how hard I struggle with these sometimes. Alright, we got it open. Let's see what we got. So first thing, as I move everything to the side, we got this interesting multi-layered pearl shell. Yeah, these are pearls. necklace. It's multi-layered, so it goes like this. It's pretty nice. Okay, we'll leave that to the side. Mardi Gras beads. Not a fan of those. Look at this. This has never been used. It is a set of bracelets in navy and gold. I like this set a lot. I think it's really cute. It's so fun. And it's mature, you know. It's a more mature, like, hey, I'm out there kind of statement. So let's put that to the side. There is another bracelet. This one has a little stamp on it. It says KM. Don't know if that's the brand, but I love the detail. Can you see the detail? The detail on the bracelet. It looks kind of cool. Next, we have a set of black bracelet beads here, and they are stretchy, of course. Yeah, with a little ribbon to tie it all together. Very cute. We got this giant stone on a cord necklace. I'm not feeling this. We're gonna have to redo this one for sure. We got a gold bead bracelet. Now I do like these as a little bit of embellishment on something, so this one's going to be cut up for sure. This one seems more of a like blue kate, little beaded necklace here going on right here. Not a fan of this. I don't know what I'm gonna use it for. Hey buddy, you coming over? This one's pretty nice. This one is just some nice stone necklace. Now this isn't my kind of feel. I feel like I can turn this into something else. Do I want to tear it apart? I don't know. It is nice, and I feel like this is for someone that isn't me. Now, am I a fan of navy? Absolutely. Oh, this one's definitely nice. Look at this. This is a long snake chain, and these are really popular for my brand when I put them with my bottle opening keys. So, this nice. Baby, you took a necklace from me. How could you? Oh, we have a nice little dainty one here. Has a little mini tassel and a rhinestone. Now, this rhinestone's definitely plastic. You can see. It's definitely plastic. It's not a bad thing if it's plastic, but it's definitely plastic. And it's just a cute little dainty one. I feel like this is my style along with other things, but again, we'll see. Now this is totally gonna get torn apart. I love these triangles. I think they're cool. This is a cool little look. Now, I'm not sure if I would keep it the way it is, but I can imagine doing something with all these triangles individually instead of one big piece like this. Very Legend of Zelda vibes at the moment. Anyone else feel that? Next, we got this unused ever fashion jewelry snake necklace chain. How do you... That's cool. Okay, so this is really fashion forward in the sense that it's a snake chain enveloped in crinoline, and you pull it out from here. Okay, baby's taking one of my necklaces away. And you just magnetized. And this magnet here is actually a really crystallized bead. It's so fun. So yeah, I really like this piece. This is fun. I think I can definitely use this for something. And lastly, we have... Oh, what a necklace. How do I do you? How do I do you? Is this not a necklace? What are you? How do I... This is so big. What do I do? How do I use you? Do you go like this? Or are you like this? Are you a body chain? I think this is like this. So it hangs like this, but this is so huge. This is so much material and it's wasted. I don't think it's wasted. Depending on what you want to do with it, it could be anything. But this is a multi-layered gold tarnished pearl and bauble kind of necklace piece. It's very long. For me, I could actually wear it as a belt maybe. I wonder. But I don't think I want to keep this for myself because I'd rather see it on someone else happy. So this is definitely going to get torn apart. So let's go ahead and check out our haul. So this is our jewelry haul today. Let me know what is your favorite piece down below. I know I have a few favorites, one of them definitely being is this pearl necklace and of course this choker here. And I think it's going to be so much fun to be able to tear these apart or just sell them back to people for like less than $1, because I don't feel like recycled fashion has to be super expensive. Again, thank you so much for watching. If you made it to the end of the video, post three bunny emojis in the comments down below, letting me know that you got to the end. Thank you so much. Stay inspired, be creative, and see you in a future video. See, I see you. So bye. Hey, baby Mario, you want to say bye-bye? I think he wants to say bye. So yeah. So bye. Yay!